Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Wave. In today's video, we'll be building a simple yet powerful bank management system in C++. This project is perfect for beginners who want to deepen their understanding of object-oriented programming concepts in C++. By the end of this video, you will have a complete working program that allows users to create accounts, deposit and withdraw money, check their balance, and even save and load account details from a file. So, let's dive right in. Overview of the project. Before we start coding, let's quickly go over the features we'll be implementing in this project. Account creation. Users can create a new bank account. Deposit and withdraw. Users can deposit money into their account or withdraw money if they have sufficient funds. Check balance. Users can check the current balance in their account. Save and load account. Users can save their account details to a file and load them back when needed. Account persistence. If an account already exists, the program will load it automatically. If not, it will prompt the user to create a new one. This is the final result of this project. User enter the account number. If an account already exists, the program will load it automatically. If not, it will prompt the user to create a new one. Enter the account holder name. Enter the initial balance. Here is the bank menu. User can check the account balance. We choose the option 3 and press enter. User can deposit the amount. We choose the option 1 and press enter. Enter the amount and press enter. Here shown the new balance of the account. To check the account balance, choose option 3 and press enter. The account balance will display. To withdraw the amount, choose option 2 and press enter. Enter the withdrawal amount and press enter. Again, check the account balance, choose option 3 and press enter. The withdrawal amount will minus from the account and the balance will ahound. Now save the account, choose option 4 and press enter. The account details will save in .txt format. To exit this system, choose option 5 and press enter. To start off, let's open up our development environment. I'm using CodeBlock for this project, but feel free to use any C++ IDE you prefer. Create a new project. Click End File menu and click on Project. Select Console Application and click on Go button. Select C++ and click on Next button. Enter the project name, Bank Management System, and choose the project folder location and click Next. Click Next. Open the project source file main.cpp. This is the default project code. Include the required header files. Let's begin by creating our bank account class. This class will hold all the necessary details about the account, such as the account number, account holder's name, and balance. Create the private member variables. Create the first variable, string type, account number. Create the second variable, string type, account holder name. Create the third variable, double type, balance. Create the public member functions. The public members of a class can be accessed from anywhere in the program using the dot operator. Create the parameterized constructor of this class to initialize the account details. Here, we have defined a parameterized constructor, same as the class named bank account. This constructor has 3 parameters. Initializing the private member variable account number. Initializing the private member variable account holder name. Initializing the private member variable balance. Now, create the default constructor for creating an empty account object, a constructor that has 0 parameter list, or in other sense, a constructor that accepts no arguments is called a 0 argument constructor or default constructor. Create the deposit function. This function is to deposit money into the account. Check if deposit amount is greater than 0. If deposit amount is greater than 0, then add the amount in the balance. Print the message on the screen and show the amount to be deposited, and also show the new balance. If deposit amount is less than 0, then show the message on screen. The deposited amount must be positive. Create the withdraw function. Using this function, user withdraw the amount from the account. Check the condition if withdrawal amount greater than 0 and less than equal to the balance amount. If condition is true, then amount subtract from the balance. Print the message on the screen and show the withdrawal amount, and also show the new balance. If condition not true, show the message, insufficient funds or invalid amount. Now create the check balance function. User can check the balance using this function. We create the function as constant. It means the const keyword specifies that the function is a read-only function that doesn't modify the object for which it's called. Display the account balance on the screen. Now create the function save account details to the file. Create and open a file named after the account number. Create a file using offstream. This file will be .txt extension. The file name is the user account number. The offstream is used to create files and to write data to files. Check the condition if file is open. If file is open, then save the user account number. Next, save the account holder name in next line. Finally, save the account balance in next line. Now close the file. Print the message, account details saved to file name .txt on the screen. If the file is not open, then print the message, unable to open file in the screen. Create the function to load account details from a file. This is the static function, and its name is load from file, and pass one value. Read the data from file using ifstream. Create two variables where store the read data. Check the condition if the file is open. Read account number from the file using getLine function. Read account holder name from the file using getLine function. Read the balance from the file. Close the file. Return a new bank account object initialized with the loaded data from the file. If the file is not open, then display the message on the screen. No existing account found with that number. You need to create a new account. Return an empty bank account object in case of failure. Create a new function named isValid to check if the account is valid non-empty. This is Boolean function and it's constant. Return account number.empty. Now start the main function coding. Create a string variable account number. Print the initial message on the screen, enter account number. This message is the entry point of this application. Read the account number from the user and store in variable. Attempt to load an existing account. Create the object of the bank account class. Call the bank account class function, load from file and save account details in this object. Now check if the account does not exist. Prompt the user to create a new one. Create two variables account name and initial balance. These variables are used to create a new account. Display the message on the screen, creating a new account. Display another message on the screen. Enter account holder name. Write cin.ignore function to clear the input buffer before taking a line input. Using getLine function to read the account holder name. Display the message on the screen enter initial balance. Read the value from user and store on initial balance. Create a new bank account object using the user's input. Pass these three variables to this object. Now it's time to start creating a bank management system menu. First, create a variable named choice. Create do-while loop. In this loop, create the display menu option for user interaction. Print the display menu options fastly. Display the message, choose an option, and read the option value from user choice and store the value in the choice variable. Now create the switch statement for this user choice. Implement the case 1, declare the variable amount. When user choose the option 1, the case 1 is active and display the message on the screen, enter amount to deposit, and store the deposit value in the amount variable. Now call the deposit function from class using object name, account.deposit function, and pass the variable amount and break this case 1. Implement the case 2 and declare the variable amount. When user choose the option 2, the case 2 is active and display the message on the screen, enter amount to withdraw, and store the withdraw value in the amount variable. Now call the withdraw function from class using object name, account.withdraw function, and pass the variable amount and break this case 2. Implement the case 3. Now call the check balance function from class using object name, account.checkBalance function, and break this case 3. Implement the case 4. Call the save to file function to save account details to a file from class using object name, account.SaveToFile function, and break this case 4. Implement the case 5. When the user choose the option 5, then print exiting message on the screen and break case 5 and exit this banking system. In the default case, when the user choose other than these options, then display the message on the screen, invalid option. Try again. Now implement the while the variable not equal to 5. The loop will perform until the user choose to exit. Build this program. Click on the Build menu and click on Build and Run, or press the F9 button. Enter the new account number, account holder name, and enter the initial balance. The account is created and bank menu is displayed. To check the balance, choose option 3. Account balance will show. To deposit the amount, choose option 1 and enter the amount. The message deposited amount and new updated balance will show. To withdraw the amount, choose option 2 and enter the amount. The message withdrawn amount and new updated balance will show. To save the account, choose option 4 and press enter. The message account details saved to accountnumber.txt file will show. To exit this system, choose option 5 and press enter, and again press any key to continue. Again run this project and enter the already created account number. The message is shown. No existing account found with number, but I have already this number. What's problem? Let's check. Here is error. I write file extension .text, but it's .txt. Again run this project and enter the new account number, name, and initial balance, and save the account and exit this system. Again run this project and enter the already created account number. Great! The account details load from file successfully. Now withdraw the amount and save the changes to file, and check in the change SAR appears in file. And that's it. You've just built a simple but functional bank management system in C++. This project is a great way to practice working with classes, file I/O, and basic user interaction in C++. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more coding tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.